Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my June Ipsy Glambag of the basic bags, and I'm taping this on June 16th of the basic bags. My two Ipsy and my two Boxies. This is the only one that I've gotten as of June 16th. I don't have my Luxe, my Premium, or my Ipsy Glam Plus. I'm waiting impatiently, but we do have my Glam bag, so let's get in here and see what I've got. Your basic $12 Ipsy Glam bag. You could do add-ons, you get to pick one of your products, and they will send you, in addition to that, 4 more products. They say they will be deluxe samples, but a lot of times we get full-size products, like especially brushes and that kind of thing. So I don't remember, I'm sure I'll know when I see, but sitting right here, I don't remember what I picked for this. But like I said, I'm sure when I see it, I'll know. And I did some add-ons, but I'm not sure if I did them with this or with my Glam Plus. So let's see. All right, when we take, oh, I like this bag. When we take out the bag, it is a cute pink bag. How cute is that? And it says, have fun, love. Oh, and then look, the little lipstick says Ipsy. And in case you guys can't tell, this is a little applique patch. It has a little pink Ipsy pull tab. And oh, the top is rainbow. Can you guys tell that? That the zipper is like rainbow? That is so cool. I have our paperwork, we have my products. I had one product on the outside. I think this actually might be what I chose. I know that seems so weird, but I think of all the choices I had, this was my favorite. Anyway, let's see what we got. So June is the Do You, Bold Moves Only, June 2021. So that is the, see if I go like that, does it look like the letters are moving? No, okay. I have my 5 products listed on the inside. It tells us the prices and a little bit about them. So we'll start with what was on the outside. And I think this was my choice. It is the Cream Shop Complete Cleansing 20 Pre-Wet Towelettes. Goodbye oil, dirt, and waterproof makeup. Rose water and coconut. Yeah. I think that's probably why I picked it, because I am a rose person. I know not everybody loves rose. I do like rose, and I love coconut. So we're gonna open this because I wanna see how they smell. I don't use these for my face because my face is so sensitive that I really, as a rule, don't use any cleansing wipes, but I keep them up here so that as we do the swatches, which I have a highlighter swatch from a GlossyBox I just did, so that as I do my swatches, I can wipe them off. Oh, it smells nice. I don't really smell the coconut. I smell the rose. But it does smell good. I like that a lot. So I will be happy to use these. And there are 20 of them in here. Cruelty-free, 100% vegan, made in Korea. And the paperwork says, keep these refreshing wipes within reach to cleanse and refresh your skin on the go. They are infused with a blend of rosewater and coconut extracts to remove dirt, makeup, and excess oil, minimize redness, and balance your skin's pH. This is full-sized and it has a $5 value. So I do like that it says that it is to do away with redness. That does always make me want to try it on my skin. On the side, it also says free of parabens, sulfates, phthalates, and alcohol. I might could use those. Okay, let's see what's next. Next, I have a Sunday Brunch Lush Eyeshadow in Cinnamon Roll. Okay, well, I definitely did not pick this one. It's very light. It's from IBY, and I do, you know what? I have the Sunday Brunch palette. I'll show you this, but I'm not going to swatch it because I can toss it in a giveaway because I have the Sunday Brunch palette from IBY. That is what it looks like, and it is called Cinnamon Roll. It's really pretty. It's kind of got a coppery look to it, I would say. If I can work out how to do it, I'll put a swatch here from my palette and show you guys what it looks like against my skin tone. I have, well, I was gonna say a couple, but I probably have 3 or 4 IBY palettes, and I really enjoy them. This says your makeup bag needs this easy to blend shimmery metallic shadow. The soft powder formula is highly pigmented, ultra creamy, and won't create any fallout thanks to moisturizing vitamin E and rosehip seed oil. The full size of this would be 12 grams and $20, and this doesn't tell us, and this is, but it doesn't tell us how many grams it is, so you know. All right, reaching in next, I have Glow on 5th Gua Sha Facial Massage Beauty Tool. Well, I feel confident I didn't pick this. This is so light. I thought this was an empty box. I can't imagine what the Gua Sha is in here. That is so interesting. I mean, I'm serious. This feels like a completely empty box. Oh my gosh, this is the thinnest. Is it? It's plastic. Ipsy, do better. This is, it's made to look like one of the rose quartz gua, no, it's better without my hand, gua shas, but it's plastic. It says, inspired by ancient Chinese medicine, this facial massage tool helps flush out the lymphatic drainage system to increase blood flow and circulation. Use it daily to depuff, contour, and give your skin a vibrant, youthful glow. It is full size and has an MSRP of $12. Okay. You guys know I'm positive. I am a positive personality. I can find the good in anything. Don't buy this. $12. If you belong to any of the boxes, they come in the boxes a lot and they're in their sales. FabFitFun, Boxycharm, Ipsy, even Causebox, any of the boxes so often have the real stone gua sha in their sales that you can get probably for $12. If not 12, not much more. And my biggest concern with this, other than the fact that the stone is supposedly part of the healing. Now, whether you believe that or not, okay. But also the weight of the stone, because you're putting it on you and you're dragging. And you always serum your face first because you don't want it to have any drag. And I can tell you, just by the way this feels on my hand, I would be concerned about the drag of the plastic on your face. So I am going to say I would 100% not recommend this. I'm not even going to pass this along in a giveaway. I might use it. This is a good use. I have started because as we go into summer and then as we transition from summer back into fall, I have to mix a couple of my foundations to get a color that's just right for me because she is very pale. But in the summer, sometimes it needs a little warmth, and this would be perfect to put a couple drops of each. Treat it like a palette. Dip my little sponge in it. So I will probably use this like a makeup palette to blend colors on. Don't buy it. I would not recommend it. And I think for $12, that's no. Next out we have Context, glass time. Nude Balm, and it is in all or nothing. And that is what it looks like once we unwrap it. It was completely wrapped in plastic. Oh, it is a very nice nude color. It's a little dark for a nude, but let's see how it swatches. I'm just gonna put it right here. One swipe. Oh, that's very nice. I like that a lot. That is gonna be really wearable. It is very nude. And even, I just went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 times across it, and that's what we ended up with. I like that a lot. I think actually what I do with my eyes today, and then I chose my lip, and I think my lip was a little too pink, this would have been perfect. It would have been perfect. I like this a lot. The paperwork says Context Skin Nude Balm in all or nothing. This has a $20 value. Meet your new Wear Everywhere Lip Balm. One quick swipe hydrates, heals, and minimizes chapping thanks to conditioning vitamins and plant extracts. Plus, the sheer neutral tint can be worn for work, weekend, and everything in between. I agree, this has got such nice shine to it. I mean, for a balm, it feels really satiny and shiny, and there was no tug to it. I like that a lot. And last but not least, I have the Auto Balm Girl Powder, Cheeks on the Go. Oh, this is an older one because it's back when they were still making them with magnets, and they've gone away from the magnets. This is in Houston. I am also gonna show you this and not swatch it so I can put it in a giveaway because I have the full Auto Balm palette also. Actually, I think I gave it to my mom because it was a little warm for me. They're very pretty though, very pretty, but I will pass that along. The paperwork says that this is a deluxe sample, and if it was the full-size version that was 8 grams, it would be $26.50. And this is 2 grams, so that would make this about $6.50, $6.75. The Balm Cosmetics Auto Balm Girl Powder in Houston. We're always excited when a product from the Balm comes across our desks, and this matte finish blush has quickly become our new go-to. The versatile peach pink shade goes from work to weekend, plus it's long-lasting, blends with no streaks, and is totally buildable. I really like the Balm products. I've just already had this and tried this, so I will pass it along. Okay, that's what I got in my Ipsy bag. Again, well worth it. I always like my Ipsy bag because even if there's what I would consider a dud, you might like it a lot. And for $12, you just can't go wrong because this is really pretty and it has a $20 value. So this more than covered the price of the bag. Plus you end up with this cute little bag, which is so cute this month. I really like that June bag. I can't wait to see the Ipsy Plus bag. We got the Balm Blush, which had almost a $7 value. The Sunday Brunch IBY eyeshadow. The Beauty on Fifth, hold on, I need both hands, Gua Sha. And the Cream Shop Complete Cleansing 20 Pre-Wet Towelettes. And this is definitely what I chose. Of all of these, this is definitely what I chose. I really like it. I will be glad to have these up here. I will absolutely use this. I will pass these along to you guys, but they're good. I love IBY shadows and balm blushes. I just happen to have both of these. Let me know below what you think. Did you get the plastic gua sha? Have you tried it? Now, you know what? Maybe I'm a snob about it. Maybe other people got it and they love it. Let me know below if you've received it or what you think about a plastic gua sha. Have a great day. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. I hope you are really enjoying your summer. Thank you so much for coming by. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I will see you again really soon.